language? English language. Alphabets of English language. See, coding, decoding, odd man out, analogy, alphabet test, letter series. All these topics are interrelated. For all these topics, the basic is alphabets of English language. If you are thorough with alphabets of English language and their place values, you can score marks in all these topics. Definitely, these 4 or 5 topics is going to carry, they are going to carry around 10 marks in any competitive examination. So, we are laying the foundation to get 10 marks in any competitive examination. Now, we are going to lay the foundation to get 10 marks in any competitive examination by learning alphabets. Now, it is clear that alphabets of English language, right? How many alphabets are there in English? Can you read them out for me? Last row. No, I am not listening. See, you want to spectate or you want to participate? What do you think? Is this your class? Is this your life? See, suppose after 25 days you write a test, you become successful, you get a job. Are you going to do that job for next 1 year or 3 years or 5 years or 30 years? Almost your life, right? So we are laying the foundation for the life, not just for the class, right? Can you be spectator of your life? Can you be spectator of your life? What do you do in your life? You should lead your life. You should participate in your life. Are you getting my point? So last rows also you need to respond here. Am I listening to you? Am I audible? How many alphabets are there in English? Excellent. Can you read them out for me? A, B, C, D. Fast, fast. Excellent, super. Now can somebody read alphabets in reverse order? Over. Z by X, that's all. Now, listen. Sometimes in letter series, you will get alphabetical series in reverse order also. So it is beneficial to you to save some time if you learn the reading out alphabets in reverse order. Okay? Now listen carefully. Z by X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, Y, N, F, L, K, K, I, H, G, F, P, D, C, P, A. This is in reverse order. You want to plan? Right? Now first thing is to read the alphabets in reverse order. You just practice this for 2 minutes or 5 minutes and just practice this. How many years back you know? Almost 16 years back when I started teaching reasoning. I just practiced once. Still I am remembering. You too can do that. If I am able to do that, you too can do that. Just try to read out alphabets in reverse order whenever you have free time. Whenever you are making journey, suppose you are in bus, you can do that. But if you are driving a bike, don't do that. You won't come by me. Right? If you are in a bus or train, you can do that. No other way you can utilize that time. No other thing you can do to be in bus. Right? Now, next thing, remembering their place values. Remembering their place values. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Like this, if you give the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, like this we will be getting numbers, right? How many numbers totally we will get? 26. Up to Z we will be getting 26. How many of you know place values of these alphabets? If I ask you P is equal to how much? 16. L is equal to how much? Excellent. K is equal to how much? 11. Like this, how many of you know place values of English alphabets? I know place values of English alphabets. Raise your hands. Don't hesitate. I don't ask you. If you know, raise your hands. Okay, very good. Around 500 people, around 10 people know. How about remembering? What do you do if you want to remember these place values? What do you do? Yeah? Very simple, sir. We mug up. That is how we completed our BTech and MTech. We have been doing that for last 16 years. What is there? Alphabet just 26. Give us 10 minutes. We mug up. Huh? Don't mug up. Don't 25. If you do that, there is a danger of forgetting the things very soon. That is why we are here today. Okay? Now, let us apply a little bit different manner to memorize the things. Now, do you watch TV programs? Who is the person who introduces a TV program? What is the name of the person who introduces a TV program? Anchor. Who is your favorite anchor? Amitabh Bachchan. Some people say Anasuya, Omkar. Okay, whoever it is, listen like this. Whoever it is, A for anchor. Anchor is the first person to talk about a program. A for anchor. Anchor is the first person. Somebody told that Amitabh Bachchan is my favorite anchor. Very good. We are going to use Amitabh Bachchan also here. Amitabh Bachchan anchored which program? KBC. Amitabh Bachchan is known as Big B in the media. Amitabh Bachchan is known as Big B. How many B's are here? Big B. How many B's are here? 2 B's. B is equal to 2. B is equal to 2. Now all of you say with me. C. Say it. Speak out. C3. C is equal to 3. We are almost writing. We are almost pronunciating in similar manner. Okay? C3. C is equal to 3. C is equal to 3. Now B is equal to 2. Already we have seen. Now D for how do you enter into the classroom? Through door or through window? Door only, right? Everyone entered into the classroom through door only, right? Very good, excellent. D for door. How many letters are here? 4 letters. D for door. There are 4 letters in that word, right? E for, can you say an elephant name? E for elephant. Now look at my hand. Elephant almost looks like this. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 legs and 1 trunk. Smaller ones you have to forget. Elephant has how many organs? E for elephant. Elephant has how many organs? 5 organs. Right? Now what happens in cricket? Batsman hits sixers. Now yesterday or today morning, India lost the match. Then immediately what you thought about the match? What you thought about the match? Fixing. So in cricket 2 things will happen. What are those 2? Fix 6. F is equal to 6. Fix 6. F is equal to 6. Now look at this G. If you write first case of G, how about this shape? Is it looking like 7? There was a Telugu movie released a few years back. What was the name of movie? In those days, every person thought that he also should have a girlfriend like heroine. I don't know. I didn't see the movie. Now let us revise once. A for anchor is the first person. B for how many B's are there? C is equal to 3. D for how many letters are there? E for how many organs? Fix 6. F is equal to 6. G contains what was the Telugu movie name? Excellent. Now when you close H, top and bottom of H, how is it looking like? 8. H, when you close top and bottom, it is looking like 8. Third case of I is remembering, is resembling 9. How many of you understand Telugu? Raise your hands. Oh, almost 80% of the class. What is the exact meaning of the English word I in Telugu? Name. Change the pronunciation a little bit. I ante nenu. Change the pronunciation a little bit. 9. I equal to 9. Now look at this. What is this? Is it looking like what? It is looking like what? Looking good, sir. Looking bad, sir. Not in that sense. Is it looking like hockey bat or not? Yes. Now we want to play hockey. Place the ball alongside. Now together they are looking like? J is equal to 10. Now next look at this. What is this letter? It is done using one straight line, one more angular line. We don't like angles much. Pull up this angle and make it straight. Then it looks like 11. Now all of you say with me, L. Say with me, L. Last, L. You should say L. L12. L12. Both you should say. Excellent. L is equal to 12. Now, read this. What is this? I'll write a little bit bigger. What is this? Now you can read, right? 3. Now what is this? Yeah. What is this? When you rotate this 3 to the left side, it looks like? When you rotate this 3 to the right side, it looks like? M comes first. So M is 13. W comes second. W is equal to 23. Can you remember like this? M is equal to? W is equal to? 23. Now let us see second set. Up to here we have seen first set. First now. Let us see second set. N, O, P, Q, R, S. There are much we'll see. Now I am just writing the place values here. N, be patient. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. N is 14, O is 15, P is 16, Q is 17, R is 18, S is 19, P is 20, U is 21, V 22, 23, 24.